Hi guys, so it's Vloguary day 3. Today is moving boxes and the small things that we can get in our apartment without having to have help from somebody. And we're in a freaking blizzard. So, we live in Denver and this is just crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you what our parking lot looks like right now and what we're moving in. I just stepped in like 12 inches of snow. Teddy doesn't like it either. So let me show you.
Huh?
I'm driving in the snow. It's getting better now.
Yep.
And we're sliding.
But I can hardly see. I can see when I'm driving now. Whoops! Silly me. I mean when you're driving. I always say when I'm driving. I'm such a silly.
Barack Hussein Obama.
What do you think about the snow?
That's what I think about the snow. That truck just almost ran off the road.
Oh.
That's my day.
That's my daddy. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm in Cadence's closet, and I bought this shoe organizer. I don't know if you're going to be able to see real well. For her crafts. So in this top part, I have construction paper of all kinds. The next is coloring books. And then the next is, hang on just a second, the next is preschool workbooks. The next is preschool workbooks. And then they're divided into these like compartments. So I have stickers, like foam stickers and letters and glitter pens. Crayon box, it's just a old Huggies wipe case. Addition cards, stickers. Down here is her little pretend journal that she does. Don't hang on that, baby. And then here is my hot glue gun, and actually, you know what, I'm going to move that.